Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Both Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY Diva, which is Lisa. We also enter our cards into Saturday Morning Makes, or hashtag Satmore Makes, hosted by the one and only Julia Norwood. I'll have everyone's links down below, and let's go ahead and jump in and check out what I created for you today. So, starting out, I used the 5x5 card layer dies by My Creative Time, and if you'd like to purchase from her, you can use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or if it's on a release weekend, it's 15% off your total purchase. But love this. And then also, I use this from Cards TV Stamps, and it's called You're the Man, and I am using You're the Bomb. Also from My Creative Time, I'm using Super Dad, and I'm using Happy Father's Day. Okay, and this is from one of my more recent purchases called Comic Words, and I am using Pop out of there. And from Hero Arts, I'm using the Infinity Dies. CC Designs, I'm using, I want to say this, and maybe this, and the stars. I'm using this. We Are Memory Keepers. I'm using the circles, a few of them out of there. And also using these watercolor inks or paints. And I got these from Tuesday Morning. And then also from Whimsy Stamps, I'm using this here, truck die. Got it for a decent price. I think it was like $5 maybe. And then this one here from Whimsy Stamps, and I'm using Wishing You the Most Splendid Day. Okay, and here are the cards that I created for Father's Day. So let me just start out with this one. This is the one where I used the My Creative Time 5x5 square dies. There goes the Wishing You the Most Splendid Day, and I used those circles to cut off a half a circle, so I can just put that right there. Wasn't for sure if I was going to show this card, but I said, oh well, it is what it is. I wasn't for sure if I really liked it. But anyway, so I inked it up with some Distress Oxide inks and just went ahead and put everything on there. It turned out cute though. And then there goes the inside of the card. I really like the My Creative Time 5x5 square dies. You can do a lot with that. So that's how my card looked. I did put some ink splatter, and I used some enamel stars on there. And then for this one, I like the colors of this one, really colorful. My grandchildren call my husband Pop Pop, and my children call him Pop, or Pops. But anyway, so I thought I would create a card that said, Pop, you're the bomb. And then I made my own little fireworks out of that little exclamation point, because I don't have any fireworks. So, and there goes a little smoke screen dies there, and like a little lightning dies there too. And then there goes the inside. I really like how that turned out. But those are my Father's Day. If you have enough time, please enter our collabs, which is hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, and hashtag Satmore Makes. And I'll have the links down below. You can check out those hashtags and how they're spelled up top. And that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.